Good morning, everyone. Myself, Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. In last previous sessions, we have gone through or we have discussed regarding human anatomies relevant topics. Those were the study of eight heads theory, their classifications, their explanations in details we have gone through. Now let us see what are the technical terms used in fashion designing purpose. The technical terms used in fashion designing are as follows. First one is fad, next is fashion, next is fashion designer, next is haute couture. So these are the several examples for technical terms. Now let us see what is fad. Fad is one of the technical term which means a trend or craze in any form of collective behavior. It is one of the collective behavior which a trend grows in market up and down. So here this is a type of culture which grows in market, and for some of the products there will be a importance in market, but for some products as soon as it grows or as soon as it reaches the target market, it will come to decline. Immediately it will decline the position in market. So for this we call it as fad. The other name for the fad is short-lived fashion. For some products, only the importance will be for some days. Some social group of peoples, they will try to publicity or they will try to do the publicity for certain products or the products which they like or which they are interested in such products. They'll try to give the publicity. As soon as after few days, the market will come down for those products. For this we call as short-lived fashion or else faded fashion or fade away fashion. So only for few days or few months it will be there in a market. That is fad. Now let us see what is fashion. Fashion is a popular aesthetic expression. Fashion is a popular aesthetic expression at a particular period and place and in a specific context. Especially in the field of clothing, the fashion plays vital role. Not only the clothing, in our routine daily lifestyle, footwear, accessories or jewelries or our hairstyle, these also plays a vital role. How we dress up, accordingly we wear our accessories. So, in the particular meantime, for example, seasons, maybe summer season, spring season. The displays will be there in the showrooms or shops. So accordingly we'll change our lifestyle in fashion. Day by day the fashion will be changing. As per our customs it will get changed. As per our usage it will change sometimes. And sometimes literally the fashion will get changed. Recent years. In recent years, the fashion have been changed a lot. Even nowadays, we are following the aesthetic traditions. For examples, saris. Even in today's trend also, saris we wear. Salwar kameez we wear. These are all old traditions, or else we can call it as aesthetic tradition. Only the thing is, wearing style and wearing occasions have been changed. So for this reason, we may say or we may declare that or we may conclude that the fashion remains the same as earlier. Only the thing is the trend or the aesthetic trends are developing or changing day by day. The fashion remains the same. Only the style of fashion is changing. Now, what is fashion designer? Now we got the thing fad, then fashion, now fashion designer. Who is the fashion designer now? A fashion designer is a person, someone who designs our clothing. Or the other name for fashion designer is clothes designer, dress designer, couturier, or a designer is a creator of a person or who grows and makes or invents the living or existing fashion. So, a fashion designer is responsible for creating a specific attractive look for any individual by giving them good designed clothes or garments. And even a designer colors our life by shaping our body or giving the attractive colors or giving attractive fabric colors to our personality and by adding different features to our character by dressing us. So here, the whole world, in this whole world, the designer have a vital role or vital place or special place in this world. So designers are very important. They color our life, they design our life. Now, we'll see the multiple choice questions of this session now. Short-lived fashion is called as dash. Options are footwear, lehenga, fad, haute couture. Next question is someone who designs clothing. Options are couturier, fashion designer, creator, and artist. So, the key answers are question number 1 option C, question number 2 Option is B. So, the short-lived fashion is called as fad. And next answer was fashion designer. Someone who designs clothing, they are called as fashion designers. So, we have discussed few technical terms in this session. We'll continue with the other technical terms in the next session. Till then, enjoy, keep studying while going. Thank you guys. Take care.